Vibe coding is everywhere right now, but here's a real question. Have you ever tried making a video using Vibe? Not just generating clips, but actually planning, structuring, and refining a full video through conversation, while still keeping timeline access and precise control when you need it. If you're a content creator making videos for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, stay with me until the end of this video because this is exactly for you. These days, when you use AI tools, you're usually forced to sacrifice one thing: control, speed, or simplicity, and you can rarely have all three at the same time. This is exactly where Medeo enters the game. Medeo vision is very simple. Creating videos should feel like having a conversation, where the entire process, from the first idea to final edits, is driven by natural language without removing professional control or flexibility. In other words, Medeo lets you chat your way to a great video, with real structure and real editing happening behind the scenes. We actually collaborated with Medeo before, back in November, and if you've seen that video, you already know the core idea. Since then, the platform has gone through major improvements, and in this video, we're taking a look at how far it has come and what it can really do today. So why Medeo? First of all, Medeo actually understands you, whether your idea is vague or detailed, whether you explain it with text, images, or even a storyboard. Instead of jumping straight into generation, Medeo starts with creative planning. It automatically writes the script, breaks it into scenes, plans pacing, and structures the narrative before assembling anything on the timeline. Then it handles the full production process, from idea generation and script writing to shot planning, asset selection, timeline assembly, and final output, without requiring traditional editing skills, while still allowing manual adjustments whenever you want. The results aren't just videos that look good, they're videos that are thoughtfully structured and designed to work, with styles ranging from cinematic and anime to cyberpunk and motion graphics. Making changes and going back to previous versions is fast and precise. Everything happens through simple chat commands, where a single sentence can adjust specific shots, pacing, visuals, or the overall style, while the underlying multi-track timeline remains fully intact. And if you want even more control, you can jump in and refine the edit directly. Visually, things stay consistent. Characters remain the same, styles stay unified, and even if seasons or outfits change, the identity of the video is never lost, across different versions or content types. On top of that, Medeo includes intelligent asset matching and generation. It selects or creates visuals, stock footage, voiceovers, and background music based on the meaning and tone of your script, ensuring strong alignment between narration and visuals. It also supports advanced workflows like Sora 2 and image-to-video generation. Compared to earlier versions we tested before, the current Medeo feels far more structured, refined, and production-ready. Now let's actually see how it works. As always, the website link is in the description, and I've also added a replay link so you can watch the entire creation process step by step. Once you enter the site, the interface is very clean and simple. The first thing you do is log in using your Google account. After that, you're taken directly into your workspace, where everything you create is organized and easy to access. At the bottom of the page, you'll see examples created with Medeo. If you like any of them, you can copy the prompt, tweak it slightly, and regenerate it in your own way. In the project section on the left, every video or image you create is saved. You can reuse them, iterate, or create multiple versions anytime. Now let's get to the core workflow. You start with a chat box, where you simply write your idea and Medeo begins building it for you. You can also upload files as references, or even paste a link and let the tool handle the planning and execution. Next, you can set the video format, cinematic or optimized for social media. Adjust the duration and choose the asset source. With auto mode, Medeo intelligently selects the best images, videos, or files based on your topic and script, assembling them directly on the timeline like a smart assistant organizing your edit. With AI video or AI image, you can generate visuals when you don't have real footage. AI video creates full video sequences, while AI image focuses on static visuals, which is perfect for short or educational content. If you want full control, you can upload your own assets and use exactly the files you provide. And if you want speed, the stock videos option gives you access to a large, high-quality library without filming anything yourself. Next, you choose your content style from nearly 30 different presets, depending on the mood you want. There's also a voice section where you can select the narration voice, or leave it on automatic so Medeo matches the voice to the tone of your video. One feature I personally liked is the set of ready-made templates, like Sketch Explainer. It's perfect for educational creators. You just provide a few inputs, and Medeo builds a fully structured video around them. For this test, I asked Medeo to create a short video about time management, with simple animations, calm colors, a friendly and motivational tone, soft background music, and a duration of 30 seconds. I kept the style and voice on automatic, clicked generate, and entered the workspace. On the right side, Medeo starts analyzing and suggesting structured options, which you can accept or adjust. This shows that it's a planning-first tool focused on quality output. After selecting the options closest to my vision, Medeo writes the script, generates the narration, selects assets, and builds the timeline step by step. At this point, you can clearly see the timeline on screen. You can manually adjust clip length, move clips forward or backward, replace visuals, and refine pacing, all while keeping visual consistency across the video. On the left, the Assets panel shows everything being generated in real time. The Audio Script panel displays the narration with timestamps, and captions can be enabled with a single click. Once the video is ready, you can continue refining it, adjusting clips, modifying dialogue, or changing pacing, either through chat commands or direct timeline edits. Medeo also generates multiple versions, so you can compare and choose the one you like best. The first version already looks engaging and useful from a viewer's perspective. Everything can still be rearranged or replaced if needed. The second version has a slightly different style. While it's still good, there's a small quality drop, which is something you can usually improve through better iteration and prompting. I'd love for you to test it yourself and tell me in the comments whether you managed to solve that. In the end, if speed matters to you, if you want control, and if you want your videos to look professional while being created efficiently, Replay Showcase is now active. It shows the full Medeo video creation process step by step, making it a great reference for new users to quickly understand how Medeo works.
Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds.
And this is a knowledge which they cannot lose.
Medeo is definitely worth trying. The website link is in the description, and right now you also get free credits so you can test it on real projects and see how it performs in real workflows. Until the next video, take care.